The easiest way of disappearing your hunger really is by having Doordash app on your smartphone. But if you don't have, don't worry, I'm here to help you on that one. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can download Doordash on your smartphone. It's really easy. Just go to Play Store and on your search bar, search for Doordash and just click on the first option that is saying food delivery, Doordash food delivery. Just click on the install icon and after a while the app will be installed on your device. You can see the app is being installed and boom, here you can see the Doordash is already installed. In order to run it, just tap on the icon and the app will be launched, and from here you can get started. And in this way you can install Doordash on your smartphone. It's really easy.